The most effective way to find Cnfans promo codes is to leverage their partnership with the copyreps subreddit by navigating to the Cnfans website and either signing up for a new account or logging into an existing one. Users can then locate the coupon code field on their dashboard, typically found in the middle of the screen, and enter the code COBYREPS. Upon successful entry, this should deposit a $15 USD shipping cash coupon, a 10% discount on shipping for the entire order with no minimum, and a 5% discount on shipping for the entire order with no minimum into the user's account. Additionally, the copyreps subreddit mentions that updates regarding discount codes and promotions from Cnfans will be available on their agent sites page, making it a valuable resource for staying informed about future offers. Cnfans also reportedly provides a recurring monthly 5% discount on all purchases for a week, along with a free covered insurance on tariff-less shipping lines. So checking the Cnfans website or the copyreps subreddit at the start of each month for these specific promotions is advisable.